had a couple of people ask me about creating text on a path, and they were saying they're having a bit of trouble getting it to react the way they want it to. Well, we're going to go through a little checklist before we start. I'm going to use the custom shape tool to draw a path. So first of all, I just want to make sure it's set on the middle of these three icons, which will draw a path. So we'll do that first. Now I'm going to just start to drag, and in order to try and position, I'm just going to stop what I'm doing, hold the mouse button down, and use the space bar to kind of reposition. I want to get this path fairly close to the shape. I'm really concentrating on the bottom of the apple because this is the part that I'm going to go with. Now, the second thing I'm going to check is I have the character palette open so I can see the settings in here. Looks pretty good. It's got a bit of spacing. Okay, that's fine. And then we take our regular text tool and just click in the middle of the bottom where we want our text to appear on the path. We type in whatever we want. And you'll see in this case it is going on the outside of the circle. I want it on the inside. The simplest way to fix this is with the type tool still active as if I'm still typing. I hold down the command key on the Macintosh control for Windows and you get this icon that looks like the text I-beam with the double-headed arrows, and just take that and basically just pull it straight up, and that will flip the text so now it's on the inside of the path. I'm going to just triple click to select everything here in this line. We'll just increase the spacing just a little bit, but here's the real trick. I really don't want it on top of the apple, I want it outside. Rather than moving the path down, which would change the shape a little bit, instead I just go here in the character palette to baseline shift. And one of the tricks that I picked up from my days in Illustrator is a good rule of thumb is you put minus to go down and about 2/3 of your point size. So we're going to put 16, and that will basically push it so now it's on the outside of the path. You see there? Now in this case I might want to push it just a hair further down so I can use the down arrow keys just to nudge it further down so it's just a little bit away from my apple. So we'll just confirm that's what we want for my type, and if I go to my paths palette and click away, I won't see the path anymore. So there you go, just a couple of tips to help you try and do text on a path. I'm Dave Cross. We'll see you next time.